Ever wondered how to turn thrift store treasures into designer-inspired home decor without overspending? Today, I'll show you how to get a look for less. Welcome back. In this video, we're diving into thrift store finds and transforming them into chic, high-end decor pieces that look straight out of a magazine. Definition: thrift store decor simply means repurposing or upgrading affordable second-hand items to make them look stylish and expensive. Why importance? It saves money, reduces waste, and gives your home a unique touch that no one else has. Plus, it's a fun and creative way to design your space on a budget. Step-by-step practical guide. 1. Start by browsing your local thrift store for solid, timeless pieces like vases, mirrors, frames, or lamps. 2. Look beyond surface flaws. A scratch frame or outdated color can easily be fixed. 3. Clean and prep your item to remove dust and old finishes. 4. Upgrade with paint, metallic spray, or even fabric to match modern luxury styles. 5. Add final touches like gold accents, marble contact paper, or stylish knobs for a designer feel. Tools explained. You'll need basic tools like sandpaper, primer, spray paint, brushes, glue, and decorative finish such as faux gold leaf or marble wraps. Workflow: pick the item, prep it, apply your upgrades, let it dry, and then style it in your space. Simple and effective. Quick tips: always check thrift stores midweek for new arrivals. Mix textures like wood, glass, and metal for a luxury vibe. Less is more. Focus on 1 or 2 statement pieces instead of clutter. Cost comparison: a designer vase could cost $80 to $100. But a thrift store vase plus a can of spray paint costs under $10. The result looks nearly identical. With a little creativity, your home can look high-end without the high price tag. Start exploring your local thrift store today and try transforming just one piece. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more budget-friendly decor inspiration and share this with someone who loves a look for less.